Lemba Jews, Witwatersrand University. Professor Trafer Jenkins, a renowned geneticist at the University of the Witwatersrand, conducted an in-depth study on the Lemba Jews. Professor Trafer Jenkins, a renowned geneticist at the University of the Witwatersrand, conducted an in-depth study on the Lemba Jews, a community with a rich history and unique cultural practices. The Lemba Jews, predominantly located in southern Africa, have long claimed to be descendants of the ancient Israelites, and Professor Jenkins was determined to uncover the truth behind their fascinating narrative. Using cutting-edge genetic analysis techniques, Professor Jenkins and his team delved into the DNA of the Lemba Jews. Their research aimed to trace the genetic origins of this community, examining whether there was any validity to their claims of a shared ancestry with the Jewish people. The results were astounding. Professor Jenkins discovered that a significant portion of the Lemba's genetic makeup matched that of Jewish populations from various regions, particularly those of Semitic origin. This finding provided strong support for the Lemba Jews' claims of a shared ancestral lineage with the ancient Israelites. But genetic evidence was not the only aspect Professor Jenkins explored. He also delved into the cultural practices and traditions of the Lemba Jews, seeking further validation for their connection to Judaism. Through interviews, observations, and meticulous research, he uncovered a plethora of striking similarities between the Lemba and Jewish customs. For instance, the Lemba Jews observed dietary laws similar to kosher practices, abstaining from certain foods and ensuring the separation of meat and dairy. They also practiced male circumcision, a significant rite of passage in Judaism. Moreover, their religious ceremonies and musical traditions bore resemblance to Jewish rituals and melodies. Professor Jenkins' study not only shed light on the genetic and cultural connections between the Lemba Jews and the Jewish people, but also provided a deeper understanding of the complexities of human migration and ancestry. It highlighted the importance of preserving diverse cultural narratives and embracing the richness of our shared heritage. The findings of Professor Jenkins' research had a profound impact on both the Lemba Jews and the wider academic community. For the Lemba, it provided a sense of validation and a renewed pride in their identity. Within the academic community, Professor Jenkins' study sparked further interest in the genetic and cultural history of various communities. It encouraged scholars to explore similar narratives and delve into the complexities of human migration.